Hi everyone. Namaskara eldrigu. This is Radha from Training and Placement Department Geetam Bengaluru. Today I am here to interview a person who is too late to the classes and used to write his assignments and records in sitting in the classes itself. But today he's having 5 offers in his hands and very soon he's going to be a part of Verizon. He is none other than Mr. R. Vishnu from Computer Science Engineering. Then why late? Let us have a look on his interview. Hi Vishnu.
Fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Life.
Life is going on, ma'am. It is going on.
Yeah, tell me Vishnu, right now you're having 5 offers in your hand. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling happy, ma'am.
Okay.
And
Then finally you have decided to join for Verizon, right?
yes, ma'am.
How you take the decision to join the Verizon company only? Any specific
Uh,
reason?
yes, ma'am. Because Verizon is a product-based company, and package is good comparing with other offers, and they provide many uh, facilities compared to other companies, and growth is pretty good in that company. When I spoke to some of my friends. So
Hmm.
I've decided to join Verizon.
Okay. I think you have already started internship with that company, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, then tell me one thing. How would you describe the corporate culture then?
Actually, before joining, what I heard and after joining, what I felt is completely different.
Hmm.
Because when before joining, when I approached many students and all, they told like it is corporate world is something pretty different from your college culture, and it is like boss and colleague kind of relationship. But when I joined there, there is nothing like boss and employee kind of
Yeah.
culture. We can approach anyone, and there is no culture of calling sir and all. Directly we can call them by name, even though they are aged persons. We can call them by their name, and
Yeah.
even they reply with that friendship kind of nature, and nothing like a boss and a colleague kind of thing.
Very true.
So yes,
Okay, are you missing a Geetam College?
yes,
Your
ma'am.
friends,
Yes, ma'am.
faculties, and all?
Yes, ma'am. I'm
True.
missing very much.
Are you day scholar or hosteler, Vishnu?
I'm a day scholar, ma'am.
Oh, day scholar. Okay, tell me one thing. If the word culturals come into your mind, what is the event you remember till date?
Field Day Gizatram. That is the
Is
biggest event. Yes, ma'am. That is the biggest event that I've ever witnessed in our college.
okay. Gizatra, it happened when you're in the second year, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Enjoyed a lot.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay. What about your friends and all? Yeah, are you missing them?
Yes, ma'am. I'm missing very much. I'm missing them very much.
Okay. Can you briefly explain your interview process in the Verizon, especially?
Yes, ma'am. The interview process, as usual, they have conducted an aptitude test. After qualifying that, we had a coding round, which after clearing the coding round, we didn't have any group discussion. There was directly a technical interview and then HR interview. So technical was something that was difficult in all the rounds if we compare, and HR was normal as usual. What they ask is like what you want to be in next 5 years, or um, what technologies like that they have asked in a HR.
Okay.
And technical is like it is almost everything was based on my project itself. So
Hmm.
that's it.
Okay. Then, what kind of situation made you to stress, and how would you cope up with the outcome that stress and all?
Stress in the final year we have two things to manage. One is project and other is interviews. So
Yeah.
that
At the
was
same
very
time, you
stressful.
need to concentrate on the both the things.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So that was the difficult part that stressed me a lot.
Okay.
And to overcome that, we have to manage both things. Like we have
Yeah.
to divide the time for both of the parts. Like some time for project and some time for our interviews,
Hmm.
so that we can
Hmm.
succeed in both these things.
No. Very good. So for the time management is very important, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Time management will play a very important role for that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Vishnu, for a change, for a few minutes, shall we play rapid fire question round?
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Okay, are you ready for that?
Yes, ma'am. Ready, ma'am.
Okay, I'm telling the words. So for each and every word, you need to tell your opinion. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
First one is your G.
Juniors, ma'am. As I mean, I have met very few, and in those few, they are very jovial and very active. I have felt
Okay, very active. Okay. Faculty.
faculty. They are like friends for me, and they stood by me in every situation that I've faced in the college.
Very. Okay. Do you remember your first year classroom number?
Yes, ma'am. I think it is 212.
For sure.
Sure, ma'am. 212.
Okay. Any friend like who is always with you by supporting you all the time? Any friend like friend or faculty do you have in a college?
Yes, ma'am. I mean, I have many friends who support me in all the time. So I can't name them particularly now.
Okay, that's fine, not an issue. Uh, do you remember which faculty has taken the first class in the first year to you? Very
Yes,
first
ma'am.
class, first year.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you
HOD sir,
take? Oh,
Brahmanand sir
great.
was handling our
Okay.
class. So
Mm-hmm.
it was very good experience actually.
Okay.
The time he entered in our class and he changed the environment completely. We had that
Very,
fear of shifting from our PUC college to
yeah.
the BTech life. But when he took our first class, he took that all the fear out, and he mingled with us like a friend, and he explained many things that day, like how the BTech life would be there and how we have to face those situations and all. He explained. So
Okay, then how you decided to join BTech, particularly in the Geetam? Anyone suggested you or just you only joined?
actually, no one suggested me, ma'am. I just joined it through KSET.
Okay, okay, sit.
Yes,
Mm-hmm. Then you know Kannada also.
yes, ma'am. I know Kannada, ma'am.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಫುಡ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಡೇ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವತ್ತಾದ್ರೂ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ
ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೋದ್ರಿ ನೀವು
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಅದು ಜಾತ್ರಾ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
ಅವಾಗ
ಇದನ್ನ
ಟೇಸ್ಟ್
ಯಾರು
ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ ಡೇ
ಓಕೆ
ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ ಅಲೋ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳೋದ್ ಬೇಡ ನಾವು
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಓಕೆ ಹ್ಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನು ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರಾ ನೀವು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಶನ್
ಹೌದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. 1 year ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಓನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆದೆ.
Okay, Vishnu. Did you find any difference between our college to some other college? Because you told you joined through KCIT, right? Did you find
Yes,
any
ma'am.
difference? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Frankly speaking, number of holidays that they get and that we get is different. And
Number of
reg-
holidays.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And regarding placements, I think our college is somewhat better, ma'am, because our college has best-in-class training programs, and our college mainly focuses on the placements, try to push the students forward, which I mean, I didn't find in other colleges when I met my friends who study there. So that is the
Hmm.
difference I have found.
Okay. Then finally, how was your journey in Geetam Bengaluru? 4 years of journey.
It was fantastic, ma'am.
Fantastic.
like
Okay. Mm-hmm.
like many
Okay.
ups and downs and all.
Hmm. Do you want to thank any faculty or friends who supported for you by
Yes,
this?
yes, ma'am. I want to thank the entire faculty members whoever have handled our class because they have taught us I mean, like a friend. They have taught us like a friend, and they combed me like what I am now. So that is the reason I want to thank all the faculty members who have handled our class.
ಹೌದಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀತಿದ್ರಂತೆ ಹೌದಾ?
Huh?
ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಉಂಟಂತೆ ನಿಜಾನಾ?
ಹೌದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಹೌದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ನಿಜಾನಾ?
ಮನೇಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗೂ
ಒಪ್ಕೋತಾ
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಚ್
ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್
ಹೌದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಬೆಂಚರ್. ಹ್ಮ್ ಹ್ಮ್.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂರ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಬೆಂಚಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Do you remember your arrangements when you were in first year?
Yes, ma'am, I remember. One was Damodar and the other was Vamshi. Vamshi
Okay.
left the college in the second year, and Damodar, he's my friend also.
Okay. Do you have anything to say to your juniors who is entering to first year now? I mean, who is completing plus two now and ready to join for Geetam for BTech? Have
Yes,
you seen?
yes,
Hmm.
ma'am. Geetam as a whole, it is very good college. They have very
Okay.
good training programs and very good placements also. And the faculty members are very good. They are very friendly, and they take care of each and every students equally. So I would prefer students to join Geetam.
Very good. Then few words to your juniors who are entering to placements now.
To juniors, in our college we have very good training program, and I would request all the students to take these programs seriously and participate in them so that they can get knowledge and they can crack the interviews. And if they attend all the training programs perfectly, then I think they can crack any interview in the future.
ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವಾಗ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳು? ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
ಹೌದು
ರೈಟ್?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್,
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಹೌದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ.
ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಾನೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಿಜ ತಾನೇ?
ಹೌದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಹೌದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಂದ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳು ನೀನೇ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಯಾವ ಇಯರ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ? ಯಾವ ಇಯರ್ ಇಂದ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳು ನಿಮ್ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಂದಾನೇ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವಾಗ ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ಸ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ
ಓಕೆ.
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಂದ ಆಪ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ವಿಷ್ಣು, ನೀವು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಂದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಈಗ 5 ಆಫರ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ.
ಹೌದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
You're having 5 offers right now, right? Then
ಎಸ್
you're
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
suggesting your junior to start to prepare for placement from the first year itself.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಅಲ್ವಾ? So ನಿಮ್
ಹೌದು
ಜೂನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಫರ್ ಹೋಗೋದು?
ಹೌದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅವ್ರು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಹೌದು, ಯಾವ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಆದ್ರೂ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ
ಹೌದು.
ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹ್ಮ್.
ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಮಿಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು
First year ಇಂದ
ಮಿಡಲ್.
ನೋಡಿ.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆನೆ
ಹೌದು,
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋದು.
ಹೌದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಹೌದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಓಕೆ. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಖುಷಿನಾ 5 ಆಫರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ?
ಫುಲ್ ಖುಷಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮನೇಲೆಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಅವ್ರ ಏನದು ಅವ್ರ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಗ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು 5 ಆಫರ್ಸ್ ನಿನಗ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಫೈನಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ?
ಅವ್ರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫರ್ ಬಂದಾಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಆಫರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಖುಷಿ ಕೊಡ್ತು.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ರೈಟ್.
ಹೌದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಹೌದು. ಹ್ಮ್. Okay, Vishnu. Thank you for giving a valuable time to us. Anything else to say to our juniors or any of our Geetam members?
Uh, Nothing, ma'am. Geetam is very good and try to utilize whatever they provide in our college. Just
Oh, experience with us. Thank you.